Meaning of Malaysian.
Malaysian. Malaysian.
Adjective. Definitions. 1. Relating to Malaysia, its people or their language. 2. Of or characteristic of the Malays, an ethnic group indigenous to the Malay Peninsula and islands of Southeast Asia. Examples. 1. The Malaysian capital Kuala Lumpur is a bustling metropolis. 2. The Malaysian cuisine is a unique blend of Malay, Chinese and Indian flavors. Noun. Definitions. 1. A person from or associated with Malaysia. 2. A member of the Malay people, an ethnic group indigenous to the Malay Peninsula and islands of Southeast Asia. Examples. 1. Many Malaysians speak multiple languages including Malay, English and Chinese. 2. The Malaysian team won the regional soccer championship.
Malaysian. Malaysian.